here today with Tori from Stone Set. And Tori, we are in a pickle here. Check this out. It's supposed to be a kid-friendly deck, and it's actually compressed cement sheeting, and it's really ugly. I hear you have something that can help.
We certainly do. So even with this pretty ugly looking surface that you've got at the moment,
yes,
the Stone Set DIY kits can go straight over the top.
Over the top of this?
Over the top of that.
What else can it go over the top of?
Pretty much any hard surface. Old tiles. Yep. Yucky.
Slate tiles?
Slate tiles, terracotta tiles, concrete, even concrete with cracks in. We can go straight over the top.
Okay, so it's going to be fine here
Absolutely
then.
perfect, yeah.
Now, it is DIY, but I'm a bit dressed up because I've got to go to the next site.
Yeah.
So I know I could do it. I actually downloaded some handy 1, 2, 3, 4 instructions from the internet, but I might leave you guys with it today to transform.
Go for it.
How
It's
does that
super
sound?
easy. You totally could do it. It's really very simple. Just 4 steps.
Okay.
Mix the stone and the resin and you're ready to go. But you head off to work. We'll get it sorted for you today. Don't
Sounds
worry.
awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I just cannot believe this. It is mind-blowing. Look at the transformation.
It looks fantastic. Yeah.
Does it ever get old, or every time you guys do this, do you just go, that is outrageous?
It never gets old because it's always such a transformation.
Literally.
It's always, yeah, it just looks so fantastic once it's done and in such a short space of time as well.
Like literally, we've had 2 hours.
Yeah.
2 hours has gone by and this is transformed. And what I love about it because things have to work structurally, from a construction perspective, it's like 15, 16 mils thick, it's lightweight, so we don't even need to reinforce this deck.
Yeah.
It's going to be dry in 5 hours.
Yeah,
like,
exactly.
You could do it in the morning, the kids could come home from school in the afternoon, it could be done.
Totally. Yeah.
Do you know the other mind-blowing thing? I look here, there's a tub we could pick up from Kmart or Coles. There's a pair of gloves, a trowel, bag of rags, some white spirits and a rake.
Yeah, it's
Like,
so simple.
None of that is specialist.
No, not at all. Anyone can do it. You can pick the stuff up from anywhere, Bunnings or Kmart, and it's literally as simple as 4 steps and it's done in a matter of hours.
So I know you guys, I know the professionals were in this time doing it in this house. I actually have 2 projects at my house and I am feeling brave enough. I'm taking the boots off, putting on some working boots. I might even tackle one of these myself.
Naomi, go for it. I'm sure you'll smash it out in a couple of
I
hours.
know somewhere to get a kit.
Yeah, you do. You know where to go.
And that's exactly why it's called Stone Set DIY. 'Cause
Exactly.
anyone can do it.
Exactly right, yeah.
Thank you so much.
You're
I'm
welcome.
blown away. I can't wait to bring the owners back in. And then I guess once we're all done here, it's my turn to start styling this.
Definitely.
All right, awesome.
Thanks, Naomi.
Now, so many of us Aussies have one of these spaces in our backyard, without doubt. It's like half forgotten, left over, half done, little bit of space that could be quite a sweet and welcoming outdoor space, but we kind of just haven't gotten around to it. Now, at this house, the owners tell me that they have really big plans for this area and they're saving up for a beautiful she shed or studio out the back. But in the meantime, this is kind of a wasted space. So I want to give them a small budget mini makeover that's going to make this a welcoming space for the couple of seasons they'll need to save up for their big project. Now, Stone Set have done a phenomenal job of transforming what was a horrible cement sheet deck area. It is absolutely amazing. I mean, you could use this for anything now. You could use it for an outdoor dining space with a big umbrella. You could use it for an outdoor lounge area. You could throw cushions on it, a sand pit on it, anything you wanted, literally. But I'm going to use some amazing pieces from Luxo Living and transform it, given, although it's sunny and windy, it's winter, into a cute little fire pit space. I have two amazingly hardy plants here for you. The Raphiolepis Oriental Pearl and the Dichondra Silver Falls. Now both of these are amazingly perfect for this situation because the Oriental Pearl is going to be a really low maintenance, structured kind of miniature hedge here, while the Dichondra Silver Falls gives a real softness to the front of this planter box. Now I've popped these planter boxes here because they hide the top edge of next door neighbour's fence for these guys, and they also provide a little bit of protection on this glass fence for soccer balls and the heat of the fire pit. Now to take care of these guys, they are pretty drought hardy, but in those hotter months you need to be watering them at least once a week. We are set. We have our heat resistant floor in from Stoneset. We have our gorgeous lounges in from Luxo Living. But for those of you who don't know me, you might be going, what about the maintenance, Naomi? I am a low maintenance chick, I tell you. So for me, all these cushions and these lounges are great, but what happens when the rain and the wind whips up? Well, I have this family completely covered. I've gotten in from Luxo Living some outdoor furniture covers. That is right. So over the top of the cushions, over the top of the throw rugs, we simply secure these outdoor covers and everything underneath will be clean, dry and ready to use next time they need it. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you're following me on Instagram to see my latest design and reno inspiration. You can find me at Naomi Findlay Official or click the link in my description. See you soon.